In this short video tutorial, I will explain you how to fix if your Lazada account is locked. The first thing you can do is contact directly to the Lazada support. You just need to open your web browser, go to Google and write this simple keyword in the Google search, contact Lazada support, and open the first result. And right here on this page, you will find out their official number. You can call them with this number. They are working daily from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. Also, you can try to chat with them with the online chat. So these are the two options how you can contact the Lazada support. There is also a Facebook page. You can directly write a message to their Facebook. So you can try to use these methods. And also guys, there is another way how you can recover your account when they blocked your account. At the same time, they sent a mail to your email, guys. So you need to open your email and find the mail, and there will be the reason why your account was blocked, and there will be also the solution what you need to do to recover your account. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like button and don't forget to subscribe.